Hola, hola, hola guys, it's me and I'm coming to you with my two of my subscriptions, which is Boxycharm and Ipsy. It's been a while since I've done an unboxing video on my channel, so decided to just get into it. Man, you know, I'm just so torn with Ipsy because I had Ipsy for a while and I honestly just got tired of their products. Everything just kind of seemed boring for me and I unsubscribed for quite a while, and then recently I signed back up with them and I've been getting the bags, but I really just haven't cared too much for them. However, I'm just gonna go over this bag with you. So I'm gonna go with the first subscription, which is the Ipsy bag or the Ipsy subscription. I'll put the links below if you're interested in any one of these subscriptions. So here is the bag, and as you can see on the bag, it's like a little masquerade mask. It's kind of like a faux leather type feeling, red. This bag seems to be an improvement to a lot of past bags. I feel that, and again, this is my personal opinion, I kind of feel like the bags are cheap. I know it's only $10 a month, but you know, it just feels like kind of cheap for me. And really, most of the time, I don't know if this is horrible or if anyone's gonna have like a heart attack with what I'm gonna say, but most of the times I throw out the bags. So sorry. So I'm gonna go into the products. I've only tried one product in here. Everything else I have not tried. So here is their little card. It says, "Who said nights were for sleep?" And this has all the products, I guess. Yeah, on the back. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just go through the products. First product, this is from Kvoss. This is the Kvoss lip balm, and this is in the fragrance, I guess, or the flavor strawberry peppermint. This is a tube, as you can see, and here is the product. This is sealed. I'm just going to open it, or attempt to open it. I got it open. Woo, definitely smells. This is a clear product. As you can see, this product is clear, just a regular gloss. But glosses are always good. I always like to keep glosses in my bag in case you need some extra softening on your lips. So I will keep that handy. Next product in the Ipsy bag. I guess I'm kind of interested in this one. This is from The Balm. And this is the Take Home the Bronze. And this is obviously a bronzer. Let me just open this and see. And this is in the color Oliver. And it claims to be anti-orange. So it says anti-orange bronzer. So I'll just swatch this here. Here is the color. My lights might be a little too bright. I apologize. Here is the color. Doesn't look too bad, I guess. It looks pretty light. But then again, I am pretty light. So I'll give that a try. I have been kind of looking for a good bronzer. I did buy one recently from Rimmel, and that's the one I've been using, and I have no issues with it so far. Next product, this is the Blackhead Removal Mask. This is a peel-off mask, and this is from, can I read that? Grace and Stella. So here's the product. Boy, these lights are bright, right? I'm sorry. So this says it may look gross, but it's super satisfying. Okay, so you apply a thin but opaque layer, allow mask to completely dry, 15 to 20 minutes, gently and slowly peel off the mask. I hate peel off masks because they're just so painful for me. I'll see. I mean, my husband typically likes to use that stuff. I don't know, I guess because he's a man and it doesn't hurt him as much, but we'll see. Next product is from Naked Cosmetics. And this is some loose pigment. So this is, I'm assuming this is the color Rainforest because that's what it says on the back. And this is loose pigment, y'all. As you can see, don't want to tip it over too much. Just swatch it a little bit on my finger here and carefully put it to the side. So here is, let's see. Wow, I think my lighting is like really, really bright today. Trying to lower that bright a little bit. It's really light, but I mean, it's pigment, so we'll see what happens. I really don't see too much pigmentation on it, so we'll see. And let me see, last product, which is the product I've been using. This is from Tarte, and this is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And this is in the color, where is it? Fair Neutral. I have actually been using this concealer. The only thing I hate about this is that they're not very specific with what color, because there are so many colors that come in this concealer. So even though it says Fair Neutral, I'm not exactly sure what color it is, because they have like a lot of colors in between. The one that I chose originally, and I bought a full size, was Fair. And it's like extremely, like I cannot use it at all. Like it's extremely light. Can't use it at all. It makes me look super ultra pale. That one has a little bit more yellow in it, so I'm able to use it. I just wish they were a little more specific on what color it was. But anyway, those are the products in my Ipsy bag. So I'm going to go into the Boxycharm for the month of October now. And Boxycharm has really never let me down. I've always enjoyed all of their products from Boxycharm. So I'm just going to show you the first product. And the first product, I'm very familiar with it because I have it. This is from Kat Von D, and this is the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lip Color, and this is in the color Mother. And I actually had this color, but I had it in a smaller size, and it's pretty much out. So it's kind of cool that I got this color back. This is a beautiful mauve color. Totally love it. I've always liked the Kat Von D liquid lipstick formulas because they're lightweight and they don't dry out the lips, for me anyway. This is my opinion. So the next product is going to be from IT Cosmetics. This is the IT Cosmetics Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. I'm just going to take this out. I actually used it once, and I can't really put an opinion on it yet because I've only used it once. So, you know, I don't want to be biased or unfair. I'm just going to show you the applicator, which is this. One thing I will tell you is that it's very black. It's very pigmented, very dark. So I like that, and I appreciate that very much. Next product, this is from Dermovia, and this is the Lace Appeal. This is the Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. Another freaking peel off mask. I mean, is it really a peel off mask? Because it feels kind of like cushiony. Let me look at the instructions. Cleanse and dry, apply an even layer. Yep. This is so like, what? Okay, so it comes with a mask. You put it on, and then there's this like second piece. Should I just show you the illustration? There's like a bottom piece, and you like put it under here, and I guess, I don't know what that's keeping in place, but then you wear it for 15-20 minutes, and then you peel off the mask in a downward motion. That will be interesting. So yeah, I don't know. So we're gonna go into the next product. Next product, I actually took a peek at this and I didn't really care for it. I got a palette from Pure, and this is the Pure Midnight Masquerade Face Palette. So I'm trying to read the back, and I guess, well, it has shadows, and I guess, let me see, they have blushes on here and highlighter. So this is like a mini palette. It has eyeshadows, and then it has blushes and a highlighter in the palette. So here it is right here. I'm just trying to take off the plastic. There you go. One is off and the other is off. So here is the palette right here. These are the eyeshadow colors, and these are the blushes, and assuming this would be the highlighter. And honestly, I'm not crazy about the colors. I don't know, I guess maybe because it's not my color scheme. It's not an ugly palette, you know, it's not horrendous or anything like that. I think the blushes are really pretty, and the highlighter is really pretty. These are colors that I would definitely play with. This one a little less because this one looks like really pigmented. But these colors kind of, I don't know. I really don't care for them too much. I don't know, we'll see. I guess because it's not really my color scheme, so maybe that's why, like, I'm not too crazy about it. Alrighty, so the next product, and this is the last product of the subscription, this is from Pharmacy, and this one I was actually excited about when I saw. This is the Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. So this is to take off your makeup, and I love mask, you know, makeup melt away balms, oils, love it. Obviously it's important, and I tell everyone that it's important. I think that it's extremely important to cleanse your face with an oil cleanser first, whether it's a balm or an oil, and then use your regular cleanser. This way it's guaranteed that all of that dirt, all of that makeup, sweat, and impurities are gone from the day off of your face. So I'm very excited. Oh, it smells so nice and fresh. Such a nice fresh scent. And here's how it looks inside. It's a very pale green color. And this is definitely a balm. I don't want to touch it too much. But I am definitely interested in trying out this product. So yeah, so that's it, guys. So I mean, honestly, if you guys had a choice between Boxycharm and Ipsy, I would strongly suggest Boxycharm. Again, this is my personal opinion. I was with Ipsy for a long time before finding out about Boxycharm and all that stuff. And I just really got tired of Ipsy. I mean, maybe I got spoiled, you know, with Boxycharm, because Boxycharm, they give you full-size products and really great quality products. And I kind of feel like Ipsy kind of just doesn't do it for me. When I open the bag, I just don't care for the products. When I see my box from Boxycharm, when I see it in the mail, I'm like, and then when I see Ipsy, I'm like, it's kind of like, it reminds me, oh man, I keep forgetting to cancel that subscription every time I see an Ipsy bag. That's really sad. But yeah, so I just wanted to show you that, guys. I'll put both links below in any of the subscriptions if you're interested. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. I will see you guys next time. God bless you guys. Adios.